Yo stud, what's up? So today we're going to be making drawstring briefs. You can find the sewing pattern on my Etsy page, link in the description below. It should look like this, and you can also check out my other sewing patterns on my Etsy page that should look like this. Nice. With this purchase, you also get a summary page listing out each sewing pattern piece and the materials needed. This design has pockets, which is quite interesting, quite useful. Put like random stuff in, like dishwashing tablets. Oh, there's the summary page. You can put, I don't know, snacks, contraband. Oh, okay. We start off with sewing the pouch pieces together, right sides together. Oh, nice. And now with the side pieces, you just lay them together and then just sew it to the side where they all meet up. Like so. There's no need to hem it, because if you hem it, it doesn't like sew properly. And then you just sew the top part as well, so it's all connected, or like so it won't move and stuff. Yeah, definitely don't hem it. It doesn't work. I tried. Like when doing the elastic part, it's too thick for the elastic, so it doesn't like look good. Yep, so just do that. And make sure it's like cut really straightly, really neatly. And try to pick a fabric that doesn't fray. I'm using spandex right now. And then once that's all done, you want to sew it to the pouch, right sides together. So it looks like that. Now you just sew the bottom part, like front panel to the back panel, right sides together. Nice. And now we're gonna do the elastics. Leg elastics. So just measure the leg around, the elastic around your leg, then cut it, and then start from the bottom seam, like the seam right here. So it'll come up like in a sec as well, like the elastics. Oh wait, yes. Sew the sides together as well, right sides together. Forgot about that lol. Yep, so it should look something like that. Oh, look, elastic. So sew it on the wrong side, zigzag stitch. Whatever luck, leave a little gap as well. Oh wait, no, don't leave a gap. And stretch evenly. You can do this if you know how to do this, do it your way. I did it a really weird way. Not a weird way, just like a not smart way. I should have like marked out and stuff, like, oh, this is a quarter, this is a halfway mark, blah blah blah. But I didn't, which is bad. So do that and stretch evenly. It's so important to make it even, otherwise it looks kind of like screwy. And you also want to make the elastic end where it starts. Well, it's a little bit like, make sure it's even for both sides, otherwise it looks kind of weird when it's not being worn. It's like lopsided. In French it's gargoin, I think. Ooh. Yeah, anyways. And then you fold it over twice, so then there's no raw edge. And then it should look good. You can decide if you don't want the raw edge thing. I just didn't. I thought like it looked neater if it's no raw edge. So I folded it like once or twice. I guess if it's overlocker, then just once is fine. But if it's not overlocker, like the sewing machine, I think maybe twice is good. And then just like zigzag stitch again on top, and then pull it evenly. So now we're doing the waistband. The instructions are on the summary page already anyways. Oh, it came up, wow. Measure the top rim of the thing, and then, unless it's already said, I think it should be fine. Yeah, this sort of the summary page. And that's how you do the waistband. Do the waistband how you want. You don't need to do like that. Like, I mean, the color, like the thing. Like, the brown should match the back panel. Like, it should be exactly the back panel. And the front should be the front panel. Match the front panel. Anyways, for the waistband, just sew it on the side. And then fold it over. And then sew it around. And then leave a gap to feed the elastic through. And also, wait, no, not also. Then like just feed it through, and then sew the gap shut. It's all in the instructions I was showing before. So when that's done, you on the front, you want to mark the halfway mark in the front, and then maybe like a couple centimeters or so, like depends how much you want, and just cut like a hole. I like the whole version better. The whole look better than the grommet look, you know. And plus it's extra work, and you don't want to do that. Like, I'm not doing that. So you just like put the drawstring onto a safety pin and just feed it through. Until you get to the other hole and it pops out there, and then you pull it evenly so the drawstring its length is even on both sides. And then like I saw like a little tutorial how to do like make it look kind of like an interesting knot on TikTok. So I did like a sunset, not a sunset, what the hell, like a flower knot. I don't know how to do it now. It's been a while. Just looking at TikTok. Oh wow, that's how it looks like. And it should look like this at the end. Oh wow, nice. And it's supposed to match the flowers thing. That's how like the design worked out. I don't know why that's there, but it's the back, I guess. I don't know, it looks quite nice. You can see a flower on the side there just to show the use of the pocket. You can check out my other stuff on my Etsy page. You can subscribe if you want. Thank you for watching. Later, stud.